What you think about when you're born into a fire? Let them burn it out. Sell them to the richest buyer. They wanna let the world decay. They tell us lies and fade away, fade away. We feel betrayed. We were raised to lose the race. Wake at the back of the pack, kill it anyway.
Right as fuck. But yeah, there's the car. There's my rental. Fucking gonna be kind of hard to be inconspicuous with this shit. The interior is pretty nice though. Yo, Cisco. So I'm here. I made it to BBWars, and you didn't know. You guys were catching all the clues. Like, I know buying the ticket was like the tall tale sign that I was gonna be attending BBWars.
Fidel's coming in. Guys like that.
Fidel, are you going? Fidel, I thought you weren't able to make it.
He bought a ticket.
What? Oh shit! Yeah. Oh, fuck! I thought Fidel wasn't able to go. Oh shit! Cause Fidel got into an accident. I don't know what kind of accident. Well, at least what I heard from Discord. And there was like a Kickstarter trying to get him there, but then like I was talking to Brewer because he was the one that opened the Kickstarter. He was like, oh no, yeah, Fidel had to like back out of it. I was like, oh fuck, all right. Damn, Fidel, that's what's up. I'm fucking.
Yeah, I saw him about the ticket. You didn't see his name?
I did see his name, but I thought it was a mistake. I thought he bought it
like yesterday or something.
Oh fuck! Damn, son.
Wait, so Fidel, if you weren't going, why did you buy the ticket?
Oh shit. Well, that was like 3-4 weeks ago, I think. So.
No, but he just said if he was going, he would have fly out today. I'm confused now. I'm really confused now.
Oh wait, that's actually a valid
So
point.
you're just buying it just to support? No, you don't have to do that. You're wasting. That money goes to US Airsoft.
Oh no. Oh no. Fidel,
oh man.
Oh damn, Fidel, I'll hit you up, bro. I will absolutely hit you up.
That was weird.
Oh damn.
No, I thought Fidel was going, that's why. But anyway, like the crew, you know, we'll miss you there, Fidel, but
gotcha, bitch.
You know, I do appreciate everybody's efforts in getting me here, but that wasn't my intention for you guys to be paying, helping me pay my way and whatnot. But bottom line is I was able to come. It's true, I would have flew on Thursday, but unfortunately, my wife had to fly on that day. She had to fly Outer Island for work. So, I had to stay back and watch my son, which means I had to push my flight back on to Friday. My flight was supposed to arrive to Sacramento at like 9:30 last night, but we didn't get in till like 10:40 because of delays. I had to go pick up the rental. I had to get some, cases of, like a case of water, and some food. Because I didn't know what kind of food is going to be available around here, so I went to go grab like some In-N-Out. But yeah, I'm here. But you don't know that. I know you're here. I know Brewer's here. I know everyone's fucking here. But it's about what? It's locally about 7:18, right? Yeah. So it's about 7:18. I'm gonna go downstairs and check out the content for breakfast. If I see you there, I'll make a fool out of myself. But yeah, We shall see. Yeah, dude.
How are you doing, man?
I fucking made it.
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, that's so insane. Oh, snap. Oh, you baited us so
I
hard.
baited you so hard.
That's
I
what's
baited
up,
you
bro.
hard.
That is
real
no
hard.
fucking way, dude. Absolutely dope. Is this all your stuff?
This is a Typhoon right here, baby.
That's what's up. Damn,
Yeah.
you shipped out with it too?
Yeah.
Flew out with it?
I flew out with it.
We're setting up the tables over here, so I'd say just come out over here, man.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. The man, the myth, the legend.
This man.
Oh, there's this
Right
man. What's up?
Oh my goodness, we got videoception going on right now. This is absolutely insane. He pulled the sneakiest move. The sneakiest of moves. Everyone, I was telling Panda, I was telling Real Wild, everybody, bro, did not know. This man is a goat. Goated for sure. We got Brewer over here, Seabass. We got we haven't even started yet. There's more people inside there. It's absolutely crazy. You guys, if you're not here, you're missing out. It is what it is. Hell yeah!
I get to rub his beard, yes.
I'll let you do it. I let him do that. Because this is the first time we're actually meeting in person.
On your toes.
I do not have a Sharpie on me. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, just find me. I'll be around. You guys set up? Did you guys corner on everything yet?
Yeah, we're about to corner soon.
That's what's up.
Oh, somebody's coming.
Yeah.
Is that the 17 Gen 4? We got your radio with the sync up channels.
Oh yeah, I gotta go get it set up.
That's the 17 Gen 4?
Absolutely, man.
Hey, yo, that looks illegal. It's amazing.
That shit look unlicensed.
Please.
I guess I gotta go do more admin stuff. I'll be back.
Okay.
Just bring a radio here.
It's too late.
Love you later.
Yeah, I'm saying bring it here.
I gotta set up my chest rig anyway.
I think we're ready to chrono. I think. Oh, Justin should have for me. Should've. You look pimp, dog.
Yeah.
It's because, you know, it's the slickster. All the slickster.
All you can eat sushi with the mob and the GI crew.
Hey, guys, food's on me, drinks on you guys. Is it cool? I'm down for it. Thank you, sir. Is that the play? Thank you, boss man. Thank you so much.
I just drink water, dude.
And have prosperous.
Cheers. Cheers.
I'm gonna go to the
Hello, guys. Cheers.
Oh my god, I think come high.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay.
I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty dangerous. Yeah? Just tried it a little bit. Yeah. Like I said, 5 minutes. But probably because I'm an Should I get worried? Everybody, not worried?
Mabuhay.
water, man.
Review.
Has a nice subtle rice flavor. It's a nice bitterness. One down smooth, nice.
Oh, man, what's that? What's that?
Handle, bro, handle. It's weird that they put the tails on the middle of it. I don't know about that.
Your chopstick food is disgraceful.
Right, go ahead. Rubble, whatever, whichever one looks delightful. Oh, I got it on the plate there.
Reminds me of Taco Bell.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life.
The morning after. See, everyone still look the same.
Yeah, right?
Where's Brewer? Oh. Sea bass. So. The guy almost looks like RGK. Oh, ass morning. Morning, man.
Morning. Oh, he's wearing my shirt too.
Yeah.
How'd you sleep? Man,
Baby.
Mans was passing out last night. Mans was passing out.
Where he buys Airsoft?
I
You guys have the same shirts.
I'm not wearing.
Oh, you know?
out there.
All my shirts are destroyed.
Huh?
Where do you get your airsoft goodies, baby?
Oh, Airsoft GI, of
That's
course.
what's up. Make sure you guys take advantage of all the discounts we got going on right now. You seriously good for you, and you can enter our shopping free giveaway at the same time. I might try it when we get back down there, but I'm not trying to risk that.
Lasagna is for, that's like, I'm at home.
Have a safe trip.
All right, boss man. It's a pleasure.
Have a safe trip.
Oh, this is our friend now. Okay. Say goodbye. Oh, boy. Fidel, my boy.
Oh, yes.
All right, see you guys.
We'll see you again.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Love you, man. It's loud, man. I love you,
Let's
love.
go. I love you so much, Rob.
Thank you for everything. Oh, yeah. You didn't grab my titty. You didn't grab my titty on camera. Hey, sexual harassment. I'm filing a claim. Hey, dog.
Cisco. Cisco, I'm gonna miss you so much, bro. I'm gonna miss you so much, bro. I'm gonna miss you so much.
I want to highlight for that though. For real, this man pulled the sneakiest thing. He's so damn dope. He flew in from Hawaii for the event. You guys
dedication
have no excuse.
From Hawaii.
You guys have no excuse.
And Chef, he drove from Utah.
So make sure you follow him on all of his social media. Subscribe to his son on social media too, because he's been doing some low key work too. Give him some love, bro. Thank you again. He's even wearing the shirts, man. You stop touching my lips. God, it's uncomfortable.
I don't know. He touches it so gently, like I don't even mind. He is a master of the art of making people uncomfortable.
Thanks for making it, brother.
Thank you for
Appreciate
for everything, man.
This is where the Mayo Gang departs. We go our separate ways.
Thank you so much, bro.
Oh, yeah,
Safe
bro.
flight. Get some rest. I know you need more sleep.
Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna get some room and rest.
Yes, sir. Go back outside.
All right.
Non-stop 10-hour drive.
Oh, yeah, I'm over here. Wait.
Yo, Fidel, goat. Absolutely insane. That, you have no idea how ecstatic I was, because we talked about it on Thursday's stream. On Thursday's stream, we were like Fidel, because I heard, because he got into a car accident, right? And I was like, oh snap, that sucks. He's not gonna be able to go. I was like, damn, that sucks. But then he bought a ticket, and we're like, what? I originally thought it was the original ticket that he bought, and he didn't get a refund for it yet. So I was like, okay. But then we found out he recently bought it, and we were like, wait, this doesn't add up. But he said in the chat that he wasn't going, and I was like, bro, you didn't have to buy the ticket just to support. And then when he showed up, Brewer's actually the one to point him out. He was like, oh, did you see Fidel? I was like, no way. It was much more. It was in a sense or just that. I was like, no way. I saw him. I yelled. I ran up to him. Crazy. It was absolutely fun, guys.
Several guys for Coastal Front made the trip out. Freaking Chef Pandakage showed up. Real Wild showed up. Brewer and Seabass' son showed up. Freaking Fidel showed up, man. Like, what the hell? He flew in, right? He flew in from Hawaii to show up, man. That was, I was so ecstatic that he showed up. Fidel, I know you're watching right now, dude. No words can describe how cool that was, that you were able to go ahead and show up and hang out with the Mayo Gang. That was what made it really special for me. Yes, it was a dope gameplay. Empire won, by the way. Suck it, Rebels. But I got to hang out with so many of the regulars that would show up to the store. I got to meet a bunch of new people. They were really enthusiastic about us being there, which was super dope. They were hyped up on us, and I was super hyped too. But more than anything, I got to build memories with a lot of you guys that showed up, and that was honestly that's gonna stick with me for the rest of my life.